How does a product design process look like? I'm going to introduce you to a four-stage process, and the most important part of this four-stage process is, as you can see from this picture, and the arrows used to connect these four different stages, we are again talking of a cycle. So once we develop the ideas, screen the product, have some preliminary design and testing, and arrive at the final design, we are not really finished with our design process. Typically, at some point in time, we refine the product and continue with another circle. This is the first thing to keep in mind. So the first stage in this product design process is the development of ideas. Where do these ideas come from? Maybe they come from our employees, maybe they come from our customers. So it's very good to listen to your customers and employees. They are often a good source of new ideas for products. Often customers face a problem and your company was somewhat able to help them, but now they give you more details on how to solve their problems, and this is a good source for getting new ideas. The product ideas can also come from our competitors. Something is happening in the market and we react to this. There are two approaches. The first one is called benchmarking. So we look at what's going on at other companies in the market. Maybe these companies are direct competitors of us, or they are just leading companies under good management, and they can be a role model for us. And if something is going on very well at these companies, we try to imitate this and we compare it with our own operations and try to analyze, try to find out what do we need to do to become as good as they are. And another approach that involves products of our competitors is reverse engineering. So we have a product of our competitors, and then we try to disassemble this product and try to find out how this product was built. This is popular for technical products. And another source where product ideas are coming from are our suppliers. Often this comes from a self-interest. They want to sell us more of their products, and they show us different areas of application of their supplies and come up with new ideas. Sometimes it's also happening that suppliers and manufacturers, or manufacturers and their suppliers, develop a product together. For example, in the automotive industry, there's a lot of joint development of technology and products. In any case, I strongly recommend to you that you do not only learn these bullet points and try to understand them. I highly recommend that you also read this literature reference, Reid and Sanders textbook, in chapter 3, in particular the pages 56 to 60, which gives you much more information about these four steps, and this will also be subject to future quizzes or the final exam. So don't focus only on the slides for your learning. Okay, the second step is the product screening. We have a couple of promising ideas. Now, in the second step, in the screening, we try to evaluate these ideas and we try to find out what is the impact on these ideas on major business functions in our company. For example, on the operations. Do we need more machines? Do we need new machines, different machines, in order to manufacture this product? Can we use our existing workforce? Do we need more employees? Do we need employees with different skill sets in order to manufacture this product? These are questions that the operations department can deal with. We also want to know what's going on with respect to the marketing efforts. Does this product fit into our existing marketing strategy? Do we need to change it? What is the market for this product? That means how much can we expect to sell from this product? If it is a very innovative product, maybe we need to create this market. Think of, for example, these food delivery apps. Now this is a well-established market. Not in every country of the world it is a well-established market, but in Oman it's very common. In the other countries of the world, only due to the pandemic and COVID-19, this became a major market. Before that, delivery was not so common, was more a niche product. Maybe we have some new technology, and only after this technology is adapted, we have a market for our product. Think, for example, of electric vehicles. Right now, the electric vehicle market is rather small because electric vehicles are very expensive and it's difficult to charge them. But maybe in the future, this might change and the market potential for electric vehicles grows. And finally, we also want to know what is the impact on the finances of our company. Do we need more capital to produce this product? Maybe we need to offer some financial incentives to sell the product. Think of the plane industry. Often when you as an aviation company buy a couple of new planes, you also get financing from the manufacturer. They help you with this. Do we have enough money to fund the required marketing campaigns? These are things with respect to finance. We will have a look into one method that we can use in the screening phase, which is the break-even analysis. Of course, there are many different other methods, but we will look after the slide on the break-even analysis as one very versatile method. In step number 3, we have the preliminary design and testing. We try to build a prototype of our product, we show it to future customers, we try to use it. Is it already, do we need to improve something? There's a lot of testing involved, and yes, that's done during the prototype phase. And in the 4th step, the final design, we know how the product should look like, but we still make some adjustments on the look and feel of the product, and we try to optimize the manufacturing procedures in order to produce the product in an efficient way. This is done in step number 4. And this is the end of our production, our 4 production steps. And keep in mind, this is a cycle, and we might come back in the future to the idea development now in order how to change and adjust this product.